Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my Mercedes. It's a G500, it's a G-Wagon, it's a W463. I'm going to remove the door panels, the driver side and the passenger side. And I will show you how it's easy to remove it. Passenger side and the driver side. The reason I'm removing the door panels, what we call map pockets or the side pockets. These are broken off. I already repaired on this one. I have a poster video on my channel, so please check it out. It's very easy and simple DIY work. So let's start removing the door panel on driver's side. So I'm on the driver's side. We're going to open the door. So this is the door panel. To remove it, couple things we need to do. First, we're going to untwist the doorknob. One screw right here under this handle, one right here, then one screw right on this one. These are only 3 screws on top, and then one screw here and one screw here. That's the 2 screws which goes on a side pocket. The reason I'm removing these side panels because I'm going to repair the side panel. As I mentioned earlier, please check it out the video how to repair it. Cap here, which you can pull it just like this with the fingernail, or use a pry tool, or you can use a small straight screwdriver. And same thing, there is a one cap on this one. So once you remove these 2 caps, so 1, 2, 3, and 2 on this one, I have one missing, so I'm going to open this. These all screws are Phillips screws, so you need a screwdriver or you can use a drill. And same thing on the bottom. It's a good idea, use a flashlight or something so you can see and you can remove the screw. And now you need a pry tool to pry these up sides. First we're going to remove the knob. Turn it counterclockwise and it removes. And we need to pry it out. All on the side, and same thing at the bottom. Put your hand and just gently pry it out, just like that. Then on this one, you have to lift a little bit. But before doing that, you just lock it, and then switch will come down. So once it goes down, and then you can pull it. That's it. And as we can see, this one comes off. Let me show you on this side. You see this electrical connection and one down here. We're going to pull it just like that. On the top one is a good idea. We remove it, the whole plug. One on this side and one on this side. You just press it, then pull it. As for this handle, that's really important. You see this one right here. You just press it. Once you press it, it will open up. See, it pops open. Then you turn around this way and it will come out. And now the whole door panel has been removed. After removing the plug, taking out the door latch, and now our door panel is really moves out. So that's how it's easy to remove the door panel on driver's side, and the same procedure on the passenger side. So if this video helped you out, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. And please don't forget that why did I remove door panels? Because these side pockets, what we call map pockets, are broken off. So I'm going to do the DIY work and I'm going to repair it. So please watch that video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.